Hello friends, I'm back with another PicoCTF challenge. This is about find me, and this was challenge given in PicoCTF 2023 under category of web exploitation, and this is for 100 points. So let's try to solve this one. So it is saying that help us test the form by submitting the username as test and password as test and then exclamation sign. Okay, so this is what it is saying. This is the username, this is a password, and additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So all right, let's launch this instance and see what is happening here. Okay, I have launched this instance. Let's see what information is printing. Okay, so instance is running and it is saying there is a website which is running here. Okay, so let's copy this link and open it on browser and see what is inside this URL. Okay, so it is saying help us test this form, username test and password test. Okay, so let's enter this username and password. Oh, it is saying that you have to enter the password test with exclamation sign. Okay, here it should be test exclamation. So let's change the password test with exclamation and then login. It is showing some flag, then page has been here. It is saying welcome fellow human, I was redirected here by a friend of mine but I couldn't find anything, help me search for flag. Okay, do we have anything here, hidden text? No, there is nowhere. I'm just trying to highlight. Okay, let's try to find our word flag. Okay, nothing is here. Try to find this one. Again, nothing is here. Let's show the source page of this web page. Do we have anything here? No, there is nothing. Okay, let's do one thing. uh, Reload the text and see here if you can see anything. Okay, clear it and let's try to access it. Okay, it has given redirection. When I access this page, there is one JavaScript file. Do we have anything inside this document? Cookie is nothing, request is nothing, response has only this web page, nothing else. Okay, sure. Ideally, there is nothing here. Okay, let's try to log in here again. I'm just cleaning up to see what is it is recording. Okay, this is ending recorded. Okay, home page is here. Something it is showing initiator. Okay, let's see what is here. Cookies, request, response, nothing. Then here it is again, nothing. Okay, so there is nothing here. So we can do one thing now. We can use the burp shoot here to capture the communication when we are trying to access this space. For that, I have got my Burp shoot. Let me enable intercept on and put the proxy on the browser so I can capture request on my Burp shoot. And let's reload this space again. Okay, so here I have got first request. It is trying to connect Saturn on PicoCTF.net. Okay, let's send this to repeater. If required, we will use it again and capture the response, forward it. Okay, it is about telemetry, forward it. Okay, there is a response from Saturn.PicoCTF.net and it is sending 304. Basically, it is redirecting. There is nothing else in this particular response. So let's forward this one. This is again telemetry, forward it. Okay, what we have got in here. Okay, we have got login page. Test. So here I have just enter credential and see. Okay, so it has captured request. It is connecting to the PicoCTF URL. Then there is a username and password that I have just entered here. Let's send it to repeater and intercept the response of this request. All right, so it has responded now, and I see that there is a redirection 302, and there has been some data it has sent to us, and there is some content as well which is mentioning href, which is HTML attribute for redirecting for loading an URL. So we see that this is here. Let's highlight this one and see. All right, so the response that we have received, it is having probably our uh, it is having our flag, but it is not complete flags. Definitely one thing we can see, it is half flag. Let's forward this response to browser. All right, it is again requesting to server. Send this to repeater if needed. We will use it and capture response here and forward it. All right, again we have received response, but this time next page ID has changed. Okay, let's try again something we like it. Although it looks like this is a base64 encryption, I believe we have captured the flag. Let's copy this base64 decode value. I have just selected this value and it has decoded base64. Sure, yes, this is the good thing on Burp shoot, that most of the things happen automatically. You don't need to do manually. So once I select it, it has automatically decoded. Let's put it over here. All right, probably we have got code. Let's forward and see if there is anything else. It is again requesting something here. Let's capture response of this page. All right, there is a response, but there is no data now. Body, forward it. It is requesting something again response we need to capture, forward it, no data. What is happening in our browser? Yes, we are in the same page, but probably we have captured the flag. Sure, let's try if this is working for us. Where is it? Just put it over here, submit it. Yeah, we are good to see that yes, it has been done.